In this video, we will show you how to replace your center engine splash shield on this Ford Fusion. This will be mounted directly under the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the front of the vehicle so we can remove the center shield. To do this, you're going to find that you have several 10mm headed bolts. They make their way all the way across the front, down along the sides, and along the rear of this shield. I'm going to start along the rear of the shield and we'll make our way towards the front. There should be one here, ours is missing. There should be another one right here, once again, missing. One more bolt here. And now we can remove the splash shield. There it is, friend. Okay, now it's time for installation of our center splash shield. We'll get this in place, start in our mounting bolts. I like to start along the front. That one started in there. Continue on making your way towards the rear of this. This one goes through the shield and through the secondary shield located just behind it. Press that up and in there. Okay, they're all started in. Let's snug them up. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, you want to make your way out from under the vehicle, start it up, take it for a road test, and listen for any funny noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.